Hey everyone, Chris Albert here. Today we are going to set up SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition. I'm setting up a development machine so I can do some testing, and I wanted to walk you through how you can set up your own development machine to start using SQL Server 2022 today. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate over to the Microsoft download page, and we're going to download the Developer Edition. I'll include the link on how to get here below. Once you have the package downloaded, just going to simply right click, hit Run as Admin. Once it pops up, you should get this basic install window. We're going to stick with the basic settings since this is just a development machine and we don't want to do anything special. Agree to licensing terms. Pick your install location. I'm going to stick with the default. And install, and away it goes. It really shouldn't be too difficult to install. Since this is a web-based installer, it's going to download the package during installation and then go ahead and run. All right, and our installation is done. We're going to go ahead and click close. So now that SQL Server 2022 is installed, we want to install SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is free. If you just Google SSMS, the first link you get should bring you here, and you can download it for free. Once downloaded, follow the same process, right click, run as admin. The install for this is just as painless as Developer Edition. All right, once the install window comes up, it'll prompt you for an install location. I'm going to stick with the default. Go ahead and click install, and the process should take care of itself. All right, the install is done. We'll go ahead and click close. Now let's test and make sure everything works the way we want it to. If I open up my start menu, I should see SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to open it. All right, now that SQL Server Management Studio is open, we want to connect to the local instance. The name of this development machine is SSIS, so that's the default. I'm going to hit connect, and I'm now connected to the server. I can see the system databases, and everything is good to go. You're all set to start developing with SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition and SQL Server Management Studio. Thanks for joining me.